Welcome to Floral Street. I'm Roshni.
And I'm Kate, and this is our Covent Garden flagship store.
We are a modern British fragrance brand with a collection of vegan, sustainable and unforgettable fragrances, powered by flowers and inspired by London.
Our fragrances are based off different moods and personas, so if you're feeling fiery, quirky or expressive, we'll have the fragrance for you. Who will you be today?
This is Black Lotus.
This is for the wild, feisty and rebellious.
It contains papyrus, which is an ingredient also known as cypriol, a really papery, dry, woody kind of ingredient. It smells delicious.
Also has saffron in it, again commonly used in cooking, but this adds a spicy, sweet element to the fragrance as well.
It's really warm, really rich. And finally we have jasmine. This is Jasmine Sambac from India. It blossoms at night and it has to be plucked at dawn when the buds are closing. It gives a really voluptuous, rich, intoxicating feeling to the fragrance.
This is our English rose in a vegan leather jacket. We have a wardrobe of fragrances to perfectly express any mood.
Who will you be today?